Are you looking for a new hardwood floor that combines beauty, durability, and affordability? If so, you'll love this video where we show you how to transform your home in Cottonwood, Colorado by Brothers Hardwood Flooring. Traditional hardwood flooring has a rustic charm and a warm feel. It's perfect for any room in your home, whether it's the living room, family room, or the bedroom. The installation of hardwood flooring incorporates a meticulous process that balances aesthetic preferences with practical considerations. From the choice of species, grain patterns, plank width, and finishes, Brothers Flooring employs a consultative approach to guide clients in making informed decisions. Hardwood flooring, renowned for its robustness and longevity, provides a high-value investment for property owners. It not only enhances the overall appearance of the space, but also contributes to improving indoor air quality by minimizing dust accumulation and allergens. By choosing your Cottonwood Colorado Hardwood Flooring, you'll enjoy many benefits that will enhance your quality of life. You'll add value and style to your home with a natural and elegant floor. You'll create a comfortable and cozy atmosphere for your family and guests, and you'll support the environment by choosing a renewable and green product. Don't wait any longer. Call Brothers Flooring today and discover amazing hardwood flooring in Cottonwood, Colorado for yourself. You'll be amazed by the variety of colors and patterns available. You'll also get a free estimate and consultation from our friendly and professional staff. So hurry up and call or visit us today. You won't regret it.